Today we got the Samsung A51. The customer told me that the microphone is not working, so the other people can't hear him. I don't know what is the better to check with you with the microphone. Anyway, I just going to proceed. With the Samsung A51, we have the bag with the plastic. This is alcohol in the syringe, and this is a plastic piece to put it inside so we can remove all the glue from inside. You can maybe heat the pack plastic with 150 Celsius degree. Be careful not to heat too much because this plastic could be melt. Also be careful while you are swiping all over the edges. The alcohol is too much better than the heating for me because we don't no harm to the plastic. We just removing the edges from the inside. When the alcohol touches the adhesive, it goes soft and working. So you can peel or remove the plastic back cover. This operation could take a long time. I just speed this a little bit. Also, we have some antenna that make the signal stronger under this plastic case or cover. So you have to be careful not to go under it, otherwise you can cut these antenna. It's the orange. You will see it once we open it. Also, something I'm going to mention. These color, it's white or orange or blue or whatever the back could be. It could be scratched while you are doing this. This happens when the phone being used for a long time. So you may need to let the customer know that this color at the back could be scratched or removed from some area. Yeah, this happens. Even maybe the phone could came like that, the scratch from the back, even if the phone not being opened before. So we almost removed the back. As I told you, we have antennas at the back, at the top and at the bottom. You can see it, it's an orange or gold color. So be careful not to scratch these things because all of these things goes under or connected to the mainboard and to the subboard. This is make the signal more stronger. You have to remove all the screws, and also don't forget to remove the SIM card tray. This is very important because we are going to remove the housing, and we can't remove the housing without removing the SIM card tray. You just need to detach the frame from the housing. This is not hard to do, but be careful to remove all the screws, and that's it. Somehow it's stuck. I don't know why, but it's being removed now. Alright. As we told, we are going to replace one thing, and it's the microphone. And it's the main microphone. We have at the bottom the subboard. This contains charging, microphone, the antenna wire, and we have fingerprint sensor, flex cable. You can just replace the whole subboard if you don't want to do some soldering work, or you can just follow me how to replace the microphone. It's not that experience need, but you have to be specialist with the micro soldering. Under the subboard we have adhesive, so that's why I use the heating gun to heat this glue so I can remove the subboard without making force pull up. We have flex cables down there, so we don't need to make any force, otherwise we can cut or damage any flex cables. Alright, now we are going to the micro soldering. This is the microphone we are going to replace. You can use the heating gun with 4 degree to remove that one, or maybe you can make it higher. Alright, this is connected with 2 pins, so you have to put the microphone the same. This is low melt soldering. Somehow it's better to use it for the microphone because you are not going to make too much heat on the microphone while we are replacing it. We need a low temperature soldering under there. So let's first heating that soldering. Alright. Maybe I put too much soldering. Something is in the hole on that circle. So remove that circle because the microphone voice will go through that hole. If this hole is plugged or plugged, the voice will never reach. You see, I removed it. This is the new one. Alright. Take care of the position and heating. Then you put it down there. Alright. I think we are good. Push it down. Alright. Done. Remove the other soldering there. And we are done. We can now assemble and test. Alright. Assemble some part of the phone, connect the subboard, and then you can turn on the device and test. If everything is working properly, then you can just assemble the phone and give it to the customer. I'm going to damage the frame with the housing. I don't need some parts to get removed by mistake. Wait until the phone boot up. After that, I don't have the pattern as I told you, but I can put my or any SIM card and then I can call it. When you call it, you can test if the microphone is working or not, if the voice is reaching from this device to the other device. Then you can know the microphone is working. After that, you can just assemble and finish your work. Alright, everything was great. The microphone now is working. I'm going to put all the screws. You can maybe put another glue if you see you need to put some other glue, or you can just keep with the adhesive with the company. That's it was for today. If you have any questions, you can just leave it in the comments below. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe to support the channel. We will do something else in the next video. Peace.